Welcome back. I'm still playing catch up with mystery bundles from FabFitFun. Today's is 2202-MYS-028. We've got an interesting collection of things here. The first out is a Marc Jacobs Le Marc lipstick. Now this retails, I couldn't really pin it down, so I'm just going to say $25 because it ranged from like 25 to 40, but I don't know if like which is the actual retail price, so we'll just go with 25. It's in this beautiful little leopard print holder, and it's a really nice warm tone. I just think the container is so cute on this, and I like the way it clicks shut. That way your lid won't go rolling off in your purse. And as someone with a full purse, I really appreciate that. So they're off to a good start. Now this is from To The Market, and honestly I really love everything I've gotten from To The Market. Their pot holder sets are amazing. The quality is beyond, and I feel like these are no exception. These are called, I think they are bone paddle salad servers. And they've got like a bone detail on the handle. They're handmade. They're beautiful. And those retail for $45. I eat tons of salad, so I will be using these a lot. Next out are Chic and Tonic reusable lunch bags, and those value for around $15. These have a cute citrus pattern on them, and they'll be great for taking fruit to lunch with me when I'm working. Can't complain about that. Something very useful. Now this last item, I'll be honest, I already own one of these and I'm not very good at using it, but I did donate this to my church breakfast for one of the raffle items, and that is a Craft Crush weaving loom. I thought I was going to excel at this. Sadly, I did not, but it will go to someone who can use it. So altogether, that was $25. So altogether, this bundle had about a $110 value, which is about average, I would say, for a mystery bundle. And the bags I will use probably daily. The salad tossers I'll get a lot of use out of, plus they're just beautiful. And the Marc Jacobs lipstick is a yes for me. So this mystery bundle was a bit of a mixed bag, but a good one. Thank you so much for watching again. I will be back soon with another video. Until then, take care of yourself and have a great day.